A wildlife-rich natural world is vital for our well-being and survival. We need wild places to thrive. Yet many of our systems and laws have failed the natural world. We now live in one of the most nature-depleted places on the planet. Nature urgently needs our help to recover. And it can be done. By joining up wild places and creating more across the UK, we would improve our lives and help nature to flourish. Because everything works better when it's connected. Now is the time to tell our politicians that we need an ecological network set in Scottish law. A legally binding network for nature would mean that wildlife is prioritised when managing our land and planning our towns. Powerful new environmental laws can ensure habitats are expanded and reconnected, meaning all life will thrive once more. It's time to turn things around. Nature is capable of extraordinary recovery, but we must act now. Tell your politicians, now is the time to put nature into recovery. Everything works better when it's connected.